Hello everyone. Welcome. This is Express with Sirisha, the talk show that you've all been waiting for. I'm very excited, thrilled because this is our first series we are starting today. And I want to start with first thanking you all for watching this and stay with us because it's going to be a very exciting episode today. What is Express with Sirisha? This is a space where I want to talk about success, struggles, and smiles. I want to bring all this together, bring them alive, and have one strong, heartfelt conversation with our very special guest of honor today. Now, how do I talk about this guest, right? She is somebody for whom spotlight is not new. She's always in the spotlight. She's a true master of ceremonies. The minute she enters, the minute she walks in, she catches the attention. The minute she holds the mic, it's another level. She is really known for something called as a grand entrance. Okay, what is the word grand? I had to ask her the first time. I'm like, ये grand entrance क्या होता है? And then she told me, I'm very particular of giving my guest a very grand entrance. So calling her today for our talk show, I was very particular that now it's my turn to give back to her a very grand entrance. And I'm going to do this in her way. This is Shairi. If you have not guessed who it is, you just have a few more heartbeats to go, guys. So just hold on and sit tight. सबकी महफिल जो सजाती है, हर शाम को बनाए खास. आज की महफिल है उसके नाम, जो लाती है खुशियों का एहसास. दिल से करते हैं उसका स्वागत, जिसका अंदाज है लाजवाब. Presenting you our very favorite MC Vrish, जो है कमाल.
Sirisha, this is something I didn't expect.
Welcome.
So, एक्सप्रेस के सारे दर्शकों को MC वृशाली के तरफ से बहुत बहुत नमस्ते. एंड अपने अंदाज में मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि हेलो, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल. एंड एक्सप्रेस के दर्शकों को सिरिशा और मेरी तरफ से गुड इवनिंग.
Welcome, Vrishali. How do you feel? How do you feel sitting on a chair where you are receiving a grand entrance and not giving one? Tables are turned. How do you feel that?
Well, tables have turned, and I must say, I'm feeling literally being put on the spot, Sirisha. और इस शो की शुरुआत आपने जिस तरीके से शायरी से की है, सिरिशा, even I have written something for you.
Oh, okay.
अर्ज किया है, आपकी मुस्कुराहट ने सबके होश उड़ा दिए. और ये तो सच है कि सिरिशा की मुस्कुराहट इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है कि बिल्कुल होश उड़ा देती है सबके. सो आपकी मुस्कुराहट ने सबके होश उड़ा दिए. मैं होश में आने ही वाला था और ये फिर मुस्कुरा दिए.
That's so touchy. I don't even know where to start, but let me start by asking you, right? We all know you've come to shows, you host people, you talk about them, you talk about their families, and you are this vibrant personality. And knowing you, when I've seen you off stage, right, off mic, without camera and mic, you are still a very vibrant personality, and I should give you credit for that. How do you get so much energy? And today it's all about you. We want to talk about just you. So there is no. We want you to drop all the walls and just open up to the audience, because everybody wants to know this woman who goes everywhere, lifts the party of the energy of the room. You know, the vibe she carries, a little more about her. So tell us, Vrishali, a little bit about you, where you're from. We know some, but we want to know more about you today.
Absolutely. And as I said, I would like to really thank you, Sirisha, for getting this side of my personality out, which is very close to my heart. I was born and brought up in a city called Durg, which is in Chhattisgarh. It's a part of Chhattisgarh now. बहुत ही प्यारा सा एक town है Durg because of the Bhilai steel plant. और हम वहाँ पे बड़े हुए. वहीं पे मेरी schooling हुई. वहीं पे I went to the college. I did my graduation from Bhilai. And after that, life took me to various cities. In order to pursue my mass comm, I went to Nagpur. I also pursued my business management. मुझे ये देखना था कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ ज़िंदगी में. मैं मास कम्युनिकेशन में जाना चाहती हूँ, जर्नलिज्म में जाना चाहती हूँ, कि मैं मैनेजमेंट में जाना चाहती हूँ. एंड आई चोज़ मैनेजमेंट एज अ पाथवे, जिसे कंप्लीट करने के लिए आई वेंट टू पुणे. आई परस्यूड माई मास्टर्स. It took me to Hyderabad from there. But yes, growing up years, most of my years are in Durg. मेरी मम्मी अभी भी वहाँ रहती है. मेरी सारी extended family दुर्ग में है.
So let me ask you this, right? You know, this generation, or at least any generation at that point of time, जब हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं, we don't know इंजीनियरिंग करना है या डॉक्टर बनना है. आपने तभी मास कॉम चुना. मास कॉम was not a very common career people would choose. What made you? I'm sure there was a path, something that you realized in yourself, because what you do today is also very connected. So tell us something about that which will also help our next gen and our kids sitting at home.
Absolutely, and great question. जैसे कि हम बड़े होते हैं, हमारे दिमाग में कुछ फिलॉसफीज़ होती है कि हमें आगे जाके क्या करना है, और थोड़े से कन्फ्यूजन्स होते हैं, बटरफ्लाइज होते हैं. बट मुझे कभी भी ये कन्फ्यूजन नहीं था, क्योंकि मुझे वो कहते हैं ना, बचपन से ही सिंगिंग और डांसिंग का बहुत शौक था. So
वो दिखता है.
that's the first thing that came in my mind, that I need to do something in the field of music.
Okay.
और what happens is, in your growing up years, आपका ये जो पुश होता है, ये आता है पेरेंट्स की तरफ से. आप किस माहौल में बड़े होते हैं.
Definitely.
और मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया. I started participating into a lot of recitals, जिसमें आपको poems recite करनी है. Participating in a lot of extempo competitions,
Wow.
speech competitions onwards. And I was always encouraged by my parents to just go for it.
That matters so much.
That does.
That matters, because even if you have a passion, see, singing, dancing, they would still want mainstream for you to do something on your side. So I'm really glad for your parents to do that. Kudos to them.
And they really encouraged me, and especially my mom. एक बहुत ही फनी स्टोरी है सिरिशा, जो मैं हमारे दर्शकों से भी शेयर करना चाहूँगी. एंड दिस शोज द काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट समटाइम्स इट्स नीडेड एट होम, आपके पेरेंट्स के तरफ से. लेकिन ये बहुत ही फ़नी स्टोरी है. तो ये स्टोरी ऐसी है कि आई वॉज अ 7th ग्रेडर, और मुझे मेरे हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम्स में, मैथ के हाफ ईयरली एग्ज़ाम्स में बहुत ही कम नंबर मिले थे. आई थिंक आउट ऑफ 50 in math exams, I scored 20 or 21, which is not even 50%. So my mom came to the school and unannounced. I was in the class, और हमारे सर हमें पढ़ा रहे थे, मैथ की क्लास थी. और मेरी मम्मी आई और मेरे सर से बात की, और सर से कहा कि इसके कम नंबर आए हैं सर, लेकिन आप ये बताइए कि इतने कम नंबर आ रहे हैं तो आप पढ़ा क्या रहे हैं क्लास में.
Really? This was a mom progressed by like multiple generations.
Absolutely. So this goes back to the support. I mean, she didn't have her blinders on, but she was questioning. She was asking the right questions. I remember even city to city, town to town, she has taken me on a scooter to participate.
आपकी मम्मी स्कूटर चलाती थी?
बिल्कुल, और वो भी गेयर वाली स्कूटर चलाती
अरे
थी.
वाह.
Because dad used to be in, at work. So she said, don't worry, I'll drive you. So हम भिलाई से रायपुर, which is a very tough ride. It's one highway, और हम जाते थे, और I used to participate in these competitions and get those cups back, the winning cups. So that kind of support is definitely
That
has
is
pushed me.
encouragement. Support is there, encouragement, and she's standing by you, taking you everywhere. Do you want to give a message to your mom today? She'll be so happy to see this.
Absolutely. लेकिन इसके पहले कि मैं मम्मी के लिए कोई मैसेज दूं, मैं अपने दर्शकों को भी बताना चाहूँगी कि उनका कितना बड़ा हाथ है हमारे ग्रोइंग अप ईयर्स में, बिकॉज शी हैज़ बीन अ सिंगल मदर. आई लॉस्ट माई डैड व्हेन आई वाज 18, और सो इट्स प्रोसेस्ड. एंड हमारे मम्मी का बहुत बड़ा हाथ रहा है हमारे अपब्रिंगिंग में. एंड आई कैन डेफिनेटली स्पीक फॉर माई ब्रदर एज वेल. मम्मी ने हमेशा हमारा इतना साथ दिया है, किसी भी चीज़ में मना नहीं किया. मम्मी ने सिर्फ हमें एक ही चीज़ कही है, बेटा हमारे हाथ में जो है वो है एजुकेशन एंड काइंडनेस. These are the two things which will take you ahead in life.
Totally.
So if you are well educated, you can choose your path. And if you are kind, you can be a good person. मम्मी का एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा सपोर्ट रहा है, और वो बहुत ही खास है हमारे लिए. और मुझे पता है जब मम्मी ये सुनेंगी तो मम्मी के आंखों में शी इज़ गोना टेयर अप. बट मम्मी, आई लव यू टू द मून एंड बैक.
रिशाली को चलो हिंदी तो बहुत अच्छी आती है, सब जानते हैं. रिशाली को मराठी भी आती है, राइट वृशाली, मराठी भी आती है राइट?
अग्गा बाई हो, मराठी मुलगी है मी.
हल्ला मचाए रे, मेरे को लगा तो गाना गाने लगेगी अभी. We would love to hear to you to sing today. Okay, that is still coming. तो वृशाली को मराठी आती है, वृशाली को इंग्लिश तो वैसे आती है, बट वृशाली को तेलुगु भी आती है. Now there's a very interesting story here and we want to hear about it because this is like a movie scene. I think I've heard you tell a little bit. I want to hear more. How you met your husband, the MJ, the guitar guy. How did that connect happen? और आप हैदराबाद कैसे पहुंची पहले तो वो बताइए.
वाओ. अब दिल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो let's start from Hyderabad. So I was pursuing my masters in Pune और वहाँ पे campus placement हुआ and I got a job through campus placement for a party gaming company in Hyderabad.
Okay.
I reached Hyderabad and on day one of training, here comes a very innocent looking cute guy. And before he came, there was an introduction by another trainer that here comes another trainer for you who's handling this application that we were about to work on. ऐसा हुआ कि he came for the training session and he left, but somebody told him, that there was one specific girl, Marathi Mulgi, in the session who's from Pune, who was asking a little bit more about you.
जो फिसल गई,
जो लग रहा है कि फिसल रही है. So after party, we met after the training party and we connected and we knew that we have inquired about each other. So there was that butterfly already in the heart. और हमने बातें की and he asked me for Hyderabadi biryani at Green Park.
उस पहली नजर में ही.
Absolutely. The first day of training, he said, hey, you know what? I'm going to go out with my friends to have biryani. Did you ever had Hyderabadi biryani? And मैंने बोला कि नहीं, मैंने कभी भी नहीं खाई है. तो
वाह क्या पिकअप लाइन है.
बिल्कुल, I like that. The pickup line asking for biryani. And
so नोट कर लेना, नोट कर लेना.
और मैं बस बैठ गई. उसके पास थी a very cool bike. So we sat on a bike. I had a helmet and he said, you know what? Let's go and eat Hyderabadi biryani. So that's how we met and connected and here we are. We are going to have our 19th anniversary next month.
Oh wow.
So it's been 19 years of marriage and 22, 23 years of knowing each other.
Wonderful. Happy anniversary in advance from
Thank
all
you.
of us, all the viewers who are watching. Very happy for you. You guys are a cute couple.
Although we both come from different thoughts of music, different followers of music, but हम साथ में बैठते हैं, गाना बजाना करते हैं. My daughter is also into musical theatre.
Wow.
तो वो घर पे हमेशा वो माहौल होता है and I think that's what makes you more compatible.
Yes.
Even with each growing day.
That's so true. And it's interesting how music, right? Everybody's story. And this show is about bringing those stories alive.
Yes.
Vrishali के घर में एक fireplace है. I've always seen Vrishali and prefer to sit on the fireplace. I think I think once I went to their house, their daughter was also sitting there, Aditi, and she sang and she played the guitar.
Guitar.
Oh
yes.
my God. I mean, talent is just running through your veins, man. You guys, very talented family. She sings so beautifully.
Yes, she's a good singer.
What brought you to US? Because that is a sudden jump, right? I don't think you ever planned, सोचा नहीं था कि US जाएंगे ऐसा कुछ. So how did that happen?
Absolutely, you were right, Sirisha. After marriage, started living in a nice, happy joint family. Sid ke parents, his older brother, Chinmay, and of course my sister-in-law, Sid's grandfather, who was 100 years old. हमारी शादी के just पहले he turned 100 और हम सब एक nice, happy joint family में थे. But opportunities came and we came here और हम बहुत ही casually आए थे. We decided we'll come here, we'll just explore the place, घूमेंगे. शादी को 1 ही साल हुआ है और just घूमेंगे, इधर उधर जाएंगे, Vegas जाएंगे and we'll cover, all the tourist spots and we'll go back.
Okay.
So we never had plans to extend our stay beyond couple of years.
Okay.
लेकिन अपॉर्चुनिटीज आती गई और हम यहाँ आए और हम यहाँ के ही होके रह गए.
अरे वाह.
So
आप
that is
डेस्टिनी
how
थी, आपको यहीं पे आना था.
यहीं पे आना था and we came to Atlanta.
So you landed in Atlanta.
Yes.
Always been
Yes.
here. Okay.
We have been in Atlanta always.
Beautiful place.
Love
Once
the place.
somebody comes to Georgia or Atlanta, यहीं पे रिटायर होंगे. I don't think they'll move anywhere.
I understand the weather is good and no wonder so many people are moving here.
Yes.
क्योंकि हमारे जैसे बहुत सारे happening लोग यहाँ रहते हैं. That's true.
Going back to Georgia, I mean the khasiyat, the greenery, so refreshing to your eyes. I realize that is one thing that we don't realize, but that is a very plus point to be here.
Absolutely, absolutely love it here. This is my home away from घर.
Yes.
एक बहुत ही फनी स्टोरी है.
चलो बताओ फिर हमें.
सो ये स्टोरी सुन के आप बिरयानी की स्टोरी भूल जाओगे.
अरे बाप रे.
सो आई हैव वर्कड ऑल माई लाइफ. ओके, मैंने जो एक 21 ईयर्स की एज से मैंने काम करना शुरू किया है एंड आई नेवर स्टॉप्ड, केप्ट वर्किंग. एंड उसके अलावा मुझे कुछ आता ही नहीं था. तो जब मैं यूएस आई, मैं आई डिपेंडेंट वीज़ा पे. जो लोग डिपेंडेंट वीज़ा पे हैं उन्हें पता है यहाँ आने के बाद यू नीड टू रीस्टार्ट योर करियर. एंड H4 पे. सो मैं यहाँ H4 पे आई एंड आई वॉज द हैप्पीएस्ट क्योंकि हमारे शादी को 2 साल हो चुके थे एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू टेक अ गुड ब्रेक फ्रॉम वर्कफोर्स. और मैं चाह रही थी कि मैंने मेरे पति को कभी भी डब्बा बना के नहीं दिया जब वो ऑफिस जा रहा था. मेरे दिमाग में, बिकॉज आई एम सच अ बिग बॉलीवुड बफ, आप किसी से भी पूछ लो कि मेरे दिमाग में एक पिक्चर थी कि मेरा पति ऑफिस जाएगा और मैं उसे ऐसे बड़ा सा डब्बा बना के दूंगी. सुबह उठूंगी, वो उठने के पहले वो डब्बा रेडी रहेगा. और दैट इज़ व्हाट आई डिड. आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू माई मोमेंट इन द किचन. मेरी ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ी ख्वाहिश थी दैट आई शुड गेट अप अर्लियर देन माई हस्बैंड एंड प्रिपेयर रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, राइस, चटनी और एक बड़ा सा डब्बा में दूं. एंड आई डिड एब्सोल्युटली दैट. एंड Sid asked
that
me,
vertical one?
yes, it's a
Oh my-
vertical one, very traditional one.
वो जो हैंडल भी होता है,
हैंडल
steel
होता
का.
है और जो वो हॉट पैक के अंदर जाता है. तो मैंने एक 5 लेयर का डब्बा आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग हिम फ्रॉम day 1. And I not only became famous in my apartment complex, Sid became famous because of the dabba at his workplace as well. Because when we started meeting up his, friends from work, they started telling me, you know what, Sid आता है रोज और एक ही सवाल होता है उसके लिए सबसे, आज डब्बे में क्या है. I also used to give him चाय का थर्मस because Sid is very fond of tea. मैं खुद चाय नहीं पीती थी. And I started giving him chai as well along with the dabbas.
How did Dabba Wala Vrishali become MC Vrish? Because I have a lot of questions. I'll tell you why. This is a very important part of your life. I know that. I want to know how you got there. And I have a lot of funny झटके वाला क्वेश्चन जो अपना सेशन आने वाला है ऑन योर MC पार्ट.
हम यहाँ आए डब्बा वाले फेज से मैं एक मदर के फेज में आ गई. आई बिकेम मदर ऑफ 2 ब्यूटिफुल किड्स. आई रिमेंबर हम मंदिर गए थे एंड इट वॉज बैक इन 2018 when the pageant world was not very popular here in Atlanta. 1-2 अच्छे खासे पैजेंट्स होते थे बट उसके अलावा हमने ऐसा कभी सुना नहीं था कि अरे यहाँ एक पैजेंट हो रहा है और 2 महीने बाद यहाँ. सो इट वॉज वेरी न्यू टू मी. एंड I was coming out of the temple and somebody handed me the flyer which said Sunny Leone is coming to crown the next Mrs. Bharat Georgia. So I called Kamlesh ji.
Oh, Kamlesh.
Kamlesh Chugh, you
Yes.
also know her. So she was the one who was organizing the pageant here for Mrs. Bharat Georgia in association with Rashmi Bedi's, Rashmi and Janak ji's My Dream
Yes.
Entertainment. So these lovely
2
people.
fabulous people.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I give the entire credit of my journey to these two people, that's because unless people like them get these opportunities for people like us
Yes.
who would like to do and explore new things, तब तक हमें मौका कैसे मिलेगा?
Very well said. You have to have the platform.
Absolutely.
And then you can go. But didn't you do a pageant in India?
Yes. So again, going back to my mom and dad, at that point, I think I was doing everything else other than studying. So in my 9th grade, there was a pageant that was hosted by, some of the organizers in Bhilai.
Ah.
And that's when I participated. I was just a 9th grader, and I told my mom, I think I walk really well. I walk like a model, mummy. I should give it a try. And my mom said, go for it.
Totally.
And I remember we made costumes with my mom's sari. So my mom had her sari, and there was some patch that we got from a store, like a lace, big lace. Well, I was one of the winners.
9th grade, not easy to do that.
Nine-
See, your experience came in handy. So you did pageant there, then you joined
did.
Kamlesh ji and Rashmi ji's pageant.
Absolutely. And I told myself that I don't know much about, this generation's, how the pageants are, taking place and what it holds. The title is very big, and I need to be responsible. If I'm in it to win it.
I agree.
And
Give it your 100%.
Give it my 100%. And after giving my 100%, if I lose, it's all right. So वो nervousness तो होती ही है. But I think as long as you tell yourself you are here not only to win, but just to give your best shot. I still remember when my name was called, I was the runner-up. And when I was standing,
Woohoo!
I was standing with two of the other beautiful ladies who were just married. Since I was a runner-up, I decided to participate in nationals because I wanted to take the first crown home. I wanted to be the winner. Not only a part of top 3, but I wanted to win that big crown, which I got home the same year in December.
Isn't that how you also got into mentoring other candidates in pageant, helping girls? I think that's also something you do professionally, right?
Yes, absolutely. So there are 2 ways to give back. One is to the society, and the other one is to yourself. So my way of giving back to the pageant world was through mentoring, guiding people like me, ladies like me who would like to come here and do something different. It's very difficult to be, and who better than you to understand this? It's very difficult to put out, yourself out there for the people to judge the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you look, the way you stand on the stage. So I wanted to help out those people who really wanted that opportunity to come and participate and to win the pageant. So parallelly, somebody heard me. There were a lot of people, but a very right person heard me give my introduction in pageant and the way I handle QA. That was Mustafa ji, and I know you know Mustafa ji as
yes.
well. He is one person who can give you opportunity using his his chain of collaborations that he has.
Yes.
If he knows that you have the talent for it.
और वो तराशते हैं. He
बिल्कुल.
finds people and he has great network.
बिल्कुल. और उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि वृशाली आप इतना अच्छा बात करते हो, अमित टंडन हमारे यहाँ आ रहे हैं जो एक बहुत ही
Yes,
अच्छे
stand-up comedian.
स्टैंड-अप कॉमेडियन हैं, आप उनके शो को ओपन करना चाहोगे? So
Wow.
पहले when he asked me, I was like, really, I'm getting this opportunity? And मैंने उन्हें पूछा, मुस्तफ़ा जी, मैं ही क्यों? Other than winning the pageant, I didn't do anything with regards to emceeing or hosting here. And he said, मैंने आपको सुना था.
He heard you.
He was not only listening, he was hearing.
That is as I said, no, तराशते हैं. He
तराशते हैं. So he gave me an opportunity to do a couple of shows here. And
Awesome.
बात से बात बढ़ती गई और ज़्यादा events आते गए. And then there is no stopping, Sirisha. Life has turned around so well because when you make your passion your work,
Yes.
उससे अच्छी चीज़ कोई हो ही नहीं सकती. So I was passionate when it comes to work about 2 things. One is my area of expertise at my workplace, which is talent acquisition. And my area of expertise with regards to my passion, which is hosting. And ये दोनों चीज़ें मुझे करने का मौका मिला और इसी तरह मैं बन गई MC Vrish.
MC Vrish.
Nothing can happen without a proper support at home.
Yes.
And somebody who stands like a rock at every step of the way, each step of the way, what you want to do. And who better than you to understand this? Because I've seen Chits, your husband, doing that.
Very glad that Dabbawali Vrishali became MC Vrishali. We all know you as MC Vrishali, and your tagline is what? MC Vrish.
It's Make a Wish with MC Vrish.
And our show is all about the stories that you get from meeting different kind of people. And who better knows than you, who has done events even in and out of Georgia, right?
Yes.
You've done weddings, you've done corporate events, you've done birthday parties, done graduations, you've done weddings. I don't think I can't list also, so many different kinds, different age, different genre, different generation, and you have to interact every generation. So, आप तो जाते हो करके काम आ जाते हो. I'm sure there's so many thoughts that come home with you that we only see the little videos and the bloopers and the reviews, which are great, but we want to know some behind the scenes story. So, we'll ask you some questions on that to MC Vrish specifically.
Bring it on.
MC Vrish, are you ready?
I am ready to rock and roll.
Okay, this is called Jhatke ka response. So I'll ask you a question and immediately whatever comes you have to answer one phrase. One word might be tough,
Okay.
one phrase, but a quick one.
All right.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Have you ever introduced someone and completely forgotten their name?
Yes, many a times, although ये ऐसा होता है कि it's not a good thing to do that, but फिर मैं बात संभाल लेती हूँ to the one and only person who is standing out at this event, and then you don't have to call out their names.
Oh, smart. See, she has a good wit, huh? Good. Nice. Interesting. Okay, have you accidentally roasted someone while trying to compliment them?
नहीं, वो जुर्रत मैंने अब तक नहीं की है, but yes, I've stopped people from saying, adding more and more into their speeches. So,
how do you handle a situation where the audience is clearly more interested in the food because the food opened rather than in what is happening on the stage or listening to you?
very simple. I just say on the mic, is it only me or are you all also smelling the yummy food and gajar ka halwa in that corner?
I know you have a sweet tooth, huh?
I do. I do.
Yes.
And you really get attention of the audience when you crack a joke on yourself or, something to do with food at this moment.
Biggest fear, tripping on stage or mispronouncing someone's name?
Mispronouncing someone's name because that's very close to people's heart.
Yeah.
And I don't want to offend anyone. So I better do my homework before I get into that event hall.
Okay. Have you ever smiled through something that is super boring but you pretend that it's amazing?
Most of the times. Most of the times, because sometimes, as I said, either the performances are too long or, sometimes people get carried away, the speeches become long. But as an MC, what I do is put my best foot forward, give that smile and get my way into it.
I've heard you say doing jugaad in the back. Speech दे रहा है, Vrishali ऐसे start हो जाती है.
And I'm
I've
literally
seen that
giving
with you.
signs to people who are speaking. Okay, cut it short.
This next question, I know the answer, but I'll still ask you. If the mic stopped working and the show must go on, what would you do?
It has happened multiple times. So whether it's mic or no mic, show must go on.
And for your voice, I think without mic also everybody can hear. I know you. You're so clear, clarity, precise, and nice and loud.
Thank you.
We love that. That's how an MC should be.
Thank you.
What is the one thing you would say to the audience here so that they will remember that next day morning?
So अर्ज किया है,
Irshad.
जिस तरह हिंदुस्तानियों का नशा चाय की प्याली में होता है, जिस तरह हिंदुस्तानियों का नशा चाय की प्याली में होता है, उसी तरह एक्सप्रेस विद सिरिशा के ऑडियंस का मजा सिर्फ सिरिशा के लिए तालियों में होता है.
Oh, that is amazing, girl. I love it. Love it. Thank you. That was nice. So now we're going to jump to the Shairi section. Okay, I have a fun quiz. This is a surprise for Vrishali. But I have to tell you why I put this section before I tell you the section as well. So Vrishali ने 6th grade में एक book लिखी थी. हम आपको वो बुक का फोटो दिखाएंगे. होपफुली वृशाली विल शेयर इट विद अस. हम आपको वो बुक का फोटो दिखाएंगे. वृशाली 6th ग्रेड से स्टार्ट कर रही थी. आई थिंक रिसाइटेशंस पे यूज्ड टू गो, एंड उसने बुक में बहुत सारी शायरियाँ लिखी हुई हैं. So this is the surprise segment as a gift to you. We are going to do something called as half shairis.
All right.
Okay? So I have multiple category. Expressing your journey. So your success journey, your failures journey, about your friends, about relationships. So हर category को नज़र में रखते हुए हमने हर category में आपको आधी शायरी दी हुई है. तो मैं बताऊंगी आधी शायरी, आपको वो टॉपिक नज़र में रख के वो शायरी को कंप्लीट करना है हमारे लिए.
वेरी क्रिएटिव एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. वो कहते हैं ना, ग्लास आधा भरा है, उसे पूरा भरने का काम मेरा है.
ये जाम तो आप पी के ही जाएंगे आज.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, so half shairis, okay? Positivity, okay? Because I know this is one important thing that we both connect on.
Connect to, yeah.
Okay. छोटी छोटी बातों में छुपा है सुकून. छोटी छोटी बातों में छुपा है सुकून. बस एक बार
होना चाहिए जिंदगी के लिए जुनून.
हाय हाय हाय, वाह 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 वाह, अमेजिंग.
So, Sirisha, you wrote these.
तेरा ऐसे फोटो रखा
So
मैंने
you
आगे.
have become a shair yourself. What are
All-
you giving me the credit for? I'm just adding 2 words into it and making it complete. It's beautifully
But you're
written.
killing it. You're killing it. And see, for you, I have to do this because this is such a forte of yours, right?
Yeah.
And I think we want
Love
to give our
shairi.
audience also some fun. And I think I just knew कि मैं ये किसके साथ कर सकती हूँ. मैं तो I want to try everything. So I don't know if I did the best, but I tried. my
No,
best.
it's really well written.
I'm
I have
glad.
to give you that.
I'm glad you love it. Okay, on being a woman. एक औरत के चेहरे पर मुस्कान है एक दास्तां. एक औरत के चेहरे पर मुस्कान है एक दास्तान जो कहती है.
दिल की बातें, दिल की जुबान.
नेक्स्ट ऑन चैलेंजेस ऑफ लाइफ. यू नो वी ऑल फेस चैलेंजेस. यूएस आने के बाद तो सो मेनी, राइट, सो मेनी, अनलिमिटेड. तूफानों से लड़के जो खिलते हैं फूल, उनकी खुशबू
सहेज के रखिए क्योंकि वो कहीं ना हो जाए अंधेरे और गुमनामी में गुल.
हाय 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 हाय. वृशाली वृशाली, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. ओके, नाउ ऑन ओवरकमिंग दोस चैलेंजेस.
All right.
गिर कर संभलना और फिर से खुद को पाना.
बहुत ज़रूरी है खुद में झांक के देखना और ज़माने को दिखाना कि हमें क्या है कर जाना.
Hi, you just overcome this challenge beautifully, beautifully.
This was a tough one because I was waiting for you to give me a couple of more clues, but Sirisha,
It was challenging. You overcome your challenge, girl.
But I'm
See,
enjoying
that is by
it.
the categories. I
it's
know.
a very unique,
Yes.
unique game that I have played in ages.
Okay, the last one on hosting. माइक हाथों में, जज्बा है दिल में. माइक हाथों में, जज्बा दिल में. एक होस्ट की पहचान है.
उसके स्वैग और उसके किल में.
और वो है दोस्तों अपनी MC वृष में.
Make a wish with MC Vrish.
Oh, killed it. Awesome. Well, that's all for today's episode, guys. I'm so glad, I'm so grateful for my talented and lovely and versatile, fun-loving friend Vrishali. Today has been about her laughter, her struggles, and all about with a little bit of shairi and singing. So I hope you all had fun. So please join us for more upcoming episodes. We'll have more inspiring stories coming your way. Follow and like Express with Sirisha. Even though I've been talking to you for months as a friend, doing this and hearing about your journey, I don't think we ever formally sit down and say, chalo, apni journey batao, right? So I think this was great. I got to know so much more about you, about your family, what upbringing you had. That is why the choices you make, you're so independent, you're so confident in the choices you make. This is how life brings us together. Kamlesh ji and Rashmi ji, women empowering women, they provided the platform and you shined. Mustafa ji provided the platform and your career as an MC which started. Like, you have to give credit to all these people, take those relationships together with you in life, and it's great. And I love that after doing all this, you're not just enjoying, you're giving back. You're training the kids, you know, the young girls, you're mentoring them. I know you also do this non-profit organization, right? So I know
Yes.
we didn't talk about it much, but guys, I think you will do more justice than me saying it with DJ Bhavna, the collaboration you have.
Yes, absolutely. And thank you so much for summarizing my entire life journey within a few minutes. And thank you for doing this. You know, I think Express with Sirisha is really, it has provided me opportunity to express myself, you know, talk about what I've almost forgotten about, you know, in the past few years. And thanks for reminding me of that journey. Yes, Bhavna Bharadwaj, who's also known as DJ Bhavna for and the community around us and also outside as well. She has started this non-profit called Prem Saga, which is for, yes, and it's in honor of her dad, who's no more. And I really felt very, very closely with this wonderful cause and got associated as a creative director along with her. And we work on these beautiful events to bring smiles to all the senior citizens' faces. You know, that's what we do. We call them once a month, we invite them, we make them have fun, laugh, chat with us. And it's our little way to give back. I would say thank you so much once again to invite me here, and I hope your show reaches at the top of all the talk shows across the globe.
Please follow MC Vrish. चलो एक जाते जाते वृशाली, आपने शायरी बहुत कर ली. I know you sing also very well. So कुछ हो जाए as a
Wow.
goodbye to our dear audience.
हमने आज इतनी बातें की है सिरीशा कि मेरा गला जो वो कहते हैं ना थोड़ा अंदाज में थोड़ी खराश है, लेकिन मैं आप मुझे कुछ पूछे और मैं ना करूँ ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. सो
Go for
आई
it.
विल सिंग ओनली इफ यू सिंग विद मी.
अच्छा चलो हो जाए.
चलो, लेट मी स्टार्ट एंड यू जॉइन मी.
Okay, done.
ऑल राइट. सो आप सबके लिए भी, और आप भी गाइए हमारे साथ. नई 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 ये बातें है पुरानी. हो कैसी पहेली है ये, कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी. जो 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 ला 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 ला.
Hi. Awesome.